guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Funzo, and if you're new here, welcome. On today's video, we're gonna be making something that my mom used to make for us when I was younger, which is hot chocolate ice blocks. For this heat, I felt like I needed to share something that is delicious, easy to make, and if it'll cool you down in the heat. So to start off, we're going to, in one pot, put water, milk, sugar, the cocoa powder, and some salt to to elevate that the chocolatiness of the cocoa. um so this is a trick that I saw, I'm not gonna lie, on Modern Family. I tried it and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, actually that works. So I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna use the same thing here. And then I also searched, I think, online to find out if it was true or not. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is mix everything into one pot before I switched on the heat. Then I'm gonna put it on a very low heat. The whole point of putting it on heat is to melt the sugar and to get the cocoa powder and the milk and water mixture to combine. So once that has happened, you just switch it off, allow it to cool. Once it is cooled, you get like those so here it's written as butcher bags, but you can find ice block bags, or you can use like a tray. What do you call those? Like a ice cube tray, and then you just pour it in there, put it into a drink, put some milk in it, or just chew it, I don't know, whichever one. But these are the, like, putting it in the plastic is the way to go. And then once you have transferred it, you put it in the freezer overnight or 2 days. Just check to make sure that it has gone hard enough. So that is the bags. This amount makes about 6. And yes, the cocoa powder will settle as it is freezing. It's fine, it just makes it taste even better. The sugar can be adjusted to however amount you want. And yeah, guys, that is the recipe. I hope you try it out and actually enjoy the recipe. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not already subscribed to the channel. Like the video if you find it enjoyable. And I thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.